What if a simple fruit could help protect you from one of the deadliest diseases out there? Pomegranates, with their rich antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, are gaining attention for their ability to prevent and fight cancer. This powerful fruit has been studied for its real-world benefits in reducing the risk of cancers like skin, breast, prostate, and more. By adding pomegranates to your daily diet, you could be giving your body the tools it needs to repair DNA and block cancer cells from growing. Now, let's explore how eating pomegranates daily can help prevent cancer and support your overall health. A natural ally in the fight against cancer. It's amazing how something as simple as a pomegranate can offer powerful health benefits. Known for being a nutritional powerhouse, pomegranates have gained attention for their ability to help fight cancer. Packed with antioxidants, pomegranates naturally neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage cells and DNA in the body. By eating pomegranates daily, you're giving your body the support it needs to repair cellular damage and reduce the risk of cancer developing. One of the reasons pomegranates are so effective is their unique combination of polyphenols, including anthocyanins and tannins. These compounds play a crucial role in lowering oxidative stress, which is a key factor in cancer formation. Oxidative stress builds up in the body over time, contributing to cell damage and increasing cancer risk. By making pomegranates a part of your routine, you're providing your body with a natural defense system. It's a simple addition to your diet that can offer a significant boost to your overall health. Antioxidants that help repair DNA. Pomegranates are more than just a delicious fruit. They're packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your body. One of the key benefits of pomegranates is their rich antioxidant content, which plays an essential role in repairing DNA. When our DNA gets damaged, it can lead to harmful mutations that may eventually cause cancer. That's where pomegranates come in. Thanks to compounds like ellagic acid, pomegranates help protect against DNA damage and support the body's natural repair processes. These antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause significant damage to cells and DNA. Left unchecked, these free radicals can trigger a chain reaction that leads to mutations, increasing the risk of cancer. By eating pomegranate regularly, you're providing your body with the tools it needs to protect and repair its DNA. It's a simple way to help maintain your body's natural defenses and lower your chances of developing cancer over time. Adding pomegranates to your daily routine is a small but powerful step toward better health. How pomegranate targets cancer cells and promotes healing. It's fascinating how pomegranates can do more than just taste good. They actually target cancer cells directly. Research has shown that pomegranate extracts have the unique ability to slow down the growth of cancer cells without affecting healthy ones. This is important because it means that while the pomegranate is fighting the bad cells, it's leaving the healthy cells untouched, making it a gentle but effective option for cancer prevention and treatment. One way pomegranates work is by disrupting the signals that cancer cells use to multiply. Cancer cells thrive by sending signals to grow and spread, but pomegranate's anti-proliferative properties interfere with this process. By eating pomegranate regularly, you might be helping to block these harmful signals, which slows down the progression of cancerous cells. Over time, this can promote healing and reduce the risk of tumors growing or spreading. Including pomegranate in your diet is an easy way to support your body's natural defense mechanisms against cancer. Pomegranate's role in reducing inflammation and tumor growth. We often hear about inflammation being linked to various health issues, and cancer is no exception. Chronic inflammation can actually create the perfect environment for cancer to grow and spread. This is where pomegranate steps in as a natural remedy. Thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, pomegranate can help calm the inflammation in your body, making it harder for tumors to take hold and grow. The compounds in pomegranate, particularly hydrolysable tannins, actively block the pathways that lead to the formation of tumors. These compounds essentially interrupt the signals that encourage tumor growth, slowing down the development of cancer cells. By including pomegranate in your daily routine, you're reducing inflammation and making your body less hospitable to cancer. It's a simple yet effective way to help protect yourself from the development and spread of tumors over time. Preventing cancer with daily pomegranate consumption. When it comes to health, taking steps to prevent problems is always a smart move. That's why adding pomegranate to your daily diet can be such a powerful choice in reducing the risk of cancer. Pomegranate is packed with polyphenols, which are natural compounds known for blocking harmful processes that can lead to cancer. These compounds act early, preventing cancer from getting a foothold before it becomes a serious issue. Studies have shown that eating pomegranate regularly can help slow down or even stop the growth of certain cancers, like skin, breast, prostate, and colon cancer. By interfering with cancer's development at its earliest stages, pomegranate can play a big role in keeping your body protected. It's a small, easy addition to your diet that could have a big impact on your health, whether you snack on the seeds, drink the juice, or add it to your meals. Making pomegranate a daily habit is a simple but effective way to stay one step ahead of cancer. The science behind pomegranate's anti-cancer properties. Pomegranate has caught the attention of scientists for good reason. Research shows that this fruit can influence several key processes involved in cancer development. For example, pomegranate helps regulate the cell cycle, which is the way cells grow and divide. If cells start growing out of control, it can lead to cancer, but pomegranate's compounds work to keep that growth in check. It also promotes apoptosis, which is the body's natural way of getting rid of damaged or unhealthy cells, including cancer cells. Another important factor is angiogenesis, where new blood vessels form to feed tumors. Pomegranate has been shown to block this process, essentially cutting off the supply tumors need to grow. When you consume pomegranate daily, you're allowing its natural compounds to tackle cancer at multiple stages, preventing it from progressing and even helping repair DNA that could lead to cancerous mutations. It's a comprehensive approach that makes pomegranate a strong natural defense against cancer. How pomegranate can aid in the prevention of various cancers. Pomegranate isn't just another healthy snack. It's shown real-world benefits when it comes to fighting various types of cancer. Research has highlighted its effectiveness against cancers like skin, breast, prostate, lung, and colon. Thanks to its rich blend of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, pomegranate tackles some of the root causes of cancer development in the body. These natural elements work together to reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage that could lead to cancer. In fact, studies have even shown that pomegranate can help shrink tumor size and prevent the spread of cancer cells. By including pomegranate in your daily diet, you're not only taking steps to prevent cancer, but also supporting your body's ability to fight it if it occurs. It's a simple, natural way to provide both preventative and therapeutic benefits, helping to keep your body healthier in the long run. Now that you've seen how powerful pomegranate can be in preventing cancer and boosting your health, why not make it part of your daily routine? The natural benefits are too good to ignore. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Earthluxe for more insights on living a healthier life. Don't forget to like the video and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.